Jump. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, there's ants. Jump,
Nga
jump,
kung
ring.
kuri ko nga ni, di kayo mo sugmat.
Ayaw, lokso dyan, jump,
Ito
ring.
yung, Nel, anong Tagalog nito?
Kaya mo yan, jump, ring.
Anong Tagalog nito? Mali, tubig na
jump,
kanan?
jump, ring. Ah!
Ang
Jump,
Tagalog
ring,
nito?
go.
Tubig to stream. Sa English, stream.
Go, jump, ring, go.
Tubig po ito, tubig.
Dungan,
Dali,
mga hagwa, maguna.
Dali na.
Go, jump, ring.
Ito nga mong inday, oh.
Go.
Dali,
Go, jump, ring.
sa may tubig. Ito na yung tubig.
Yes!
Magluris para balian yung hapos.
Hello, welcome to my father's rice field. So we are here with my niece. Hello. Yeah, Abet and Japring. Hello, Japring. We visited my parents' rice field. So this is the rice field. We are here and it's almost 10 a.m. and it's very, very hot. Yeah. See, I show you all. So this is the rice. Yeah, see? Yes. And that's the coconut tree. This is the stream. Tindog mo tarong kay picturean ta mo. Japring, tingin dito, ang ganda. Diyan ka lang, tingin dito, ang ganda. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ang ganda. Wow! Let's go. This is our parents' rice field. Oh my God. Just go straight. See? Abit wasn't born yet. We own this land since I was 15 years old. See? This is my parents' rice field. From there, there, there. It's the stream. Oh my God. 1, 2. Oh my God. So hard. Yes. This is called the shy flower, see? Oh my God. The coconut tree. My father planted. Si lolo ninyo nagtanuman ng mga lubi. So let's go there, go. See? Go. Go. Nga tatas payag. Tabok siguro mo spikas, unsa ba? O, di ba? O, sige, go straight. Nawi. Careful, oh my God, I need to jump. Jump, the ring, jump. 1, 2, 3. So, I need to jump. Where I jump? Oh my God. So, I need to jump. 1, 2, 3! So, we need to jump again. Jump. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, there's ants. Jump, Japring. Ayaw, lokso dyan, Japring. 1. Kaya mo yan, Japring. 1, 2, 3. Jump, Japring. Ah! Japring, go!
Ano ba?
Go, Japring, go. Dongan, mga hagba, maguna. Oh, go, Japring. Go.
Dili man daw.
Oh, go, Japring. Yes! Now my turn. Can I jump? Now I will. Oh my God, huy. Huy. 1. 1, 2. Ah! Okay, go. Oh my God, look at that. So I will walk like this. Oh my God. Oh gosh. The worker did not clean Si sobrang siot.
Wala na dito eh. Dili na ito mga tumatiri.
Nay kamunggay, mangot ang kamunggay. Guba ng payag ni Lolo. Guba ng payag ni Lolo. Boy. My father's farmhouse is ruined. This is a banana. This is banana. Banana. Walang humayugawa. Uy, dakan mag... The worker did not clean the rice field. It's really dirty. Hala, ang payag ni Lolo, oh. Dak ang mga kamunggay.
Ito makangara mo tiri. Si Uting na diraw.
Tara.
Tara. Ako mauna dyan.
Dak ang mga kamunggay ni Lolo.
Wala na. Dili na ito makangara mo tiri. Si Uting na diraw.
Tara.
Tara. Ako mauna dyan.
Ako na po una ikigunit sa kamera.
Sige. Japring na ako.
Ngayon na lang taagi, kadiri, oh.
Basig mo pa ako sa biraghas.
Oh, sige, oh. Japring, ikay una, ako'y sunod. Ikay gunit sa kamera. Ay, gunit. Diri. Kita ka ng... Dali, Japring. Nay, tubak, ya, mo. Japring, dali. Ayos, ikay video ulang para akong... Hi, we're going home now. We finished visiting our parents' rice field. And we are going home. Look to the ribbit eye. Dili ako.
Travel vlog.